It's great to see the confidence on their faces and just see the light bulb kind of flick on when they're doing the chest compressions. They're hearing those clicks. They're empowered. They're seeing that they can make a difference. They can change a life.
I felt like I learned how to respond to the situation. I knew about the interlocking fingers, but I didn't know how to actually do it.
How to do CPR, how to do chest compressions.
It's really important, especially in a school setting where a ton of people are there and anything can happen.
It gives me good confidence because I know that I can do it and I know how to do it, and I can feel like the hero.
Honestly, I was crying. I was watching the students do their interview earlier, and I'm tearing up right now. It's cool to know that we're empowering the next generation, and that these kids could possibly save my life or somebody else in the school.